the current will enter here, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. This will be the polarities. VA minus Q by C minus 2 into 2 or plus 2 into 2 minus VG equal to 0. So VAG is equal to Q by C minus 4. Q is how much? 80 microcoulomb. Capacitance 4. That micro will get cancelled out. 16 volt. So that VAG should be equal to VAG1. They're parallel. So therefore we know VAG1. So can we get expression for this current? Say I1. Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
I'll continue. Some connectivity problem was there. Okay, this VAG1. So this should be equal to 16 ohms. So with this, I'll get the I1. So the value of I1 will be VAG1 by 16. 16 by 16. This is 1 ampere. So we know this is 2 ampere. I1 1 ampere. The remaining I2 will flow here. So therefore, the 2 ampere should be equal to I1 plus I2. So 2 equal to 1. What is value of I2? I2 should be equal to 1 ampere. So we got that currents. So after getting this current I2, then we know potential VAG2. So VAG2 should be equal to, or I'll write the equation. VA minus I2R minus phi I2 minus VG2 equals 0. So VAG2 is equal to I2R minus phi I2. So this should be equal to 16
Plus 5 I2, sir.
plus 5 this one. VAG2. So this should be also equal to, because they're all parallel, no? So 16. So this will be I2 value is 1. We know R plus this 5. So what is value of R equal to 11 ohm. After getting this, how to get the time constant? What was the thing asked about the time constant? So what is the method of getting time constant here? So across the terminals AB, what mean effective resistance as seen by the capacitor. That's the best available method for us. Effective resistance as seen by capacitor terminal. So what you do is like we know the resistor R, we know the resistance R. Then this is, then here is the terminals I'll call AB, and this is 2 ohm. Little bit this is asked in different way, because usually we come across the cell compulsorily. Here the cell is not brought here. No. So what is effective capacitance, effective resistance as seen by it? This R and phi, they are in series, and that will be in parallel with 16 ohm, and that effective is in series with 2 ohm. Agreed? Because or you do one thing, that earthing, if you find difficult, no, you make them common earthing. At least you make them common earthing, so little bit easy for you. No manage the problem. R and phi in series, that effective is in, what is value of R? R is 11 ohm. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 parallel to 16, 8 ohm. 8 ohm in series with 2 ohm, 10 ohm. So what is RAB? 10 ohm. Shall I write directly? These two are in, these two are in series. R plus 5, 11 plus 5, 16. 16, 16 parallel. 8 ohm. 8 ohm in series with 2 ohm will be the RAB. I'll draw one more circuit. This will be, sir, what to do with that earthing? Just the earthing is just to mean that they are connected to common point. 16 ohm, 16 ohm. Parallel 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm series with 2 ohm, so will be 10 ohm. So we got RAB 10 ohm. Then what is the time constant of circuit? RAB into C. 10 into 40 micro. 4, no, it is. So 40 micro seconds. So this will be our answer. Sometimes SL will not be there. Don't get confused. So we should not get confused here. So same the series parallel and the KVL.